Cosmetic procedures were once a woman's domain, but not anymore. Every year, more men are having something done, not only to combat those signs of aging, but also to stay competitive in the job market. Renowned plastic surgeon Dr. George Toledo has seen this firsthand, and he brought with him one of his patients today, and that's Will. How are you guys?
Just great.
Great. Good morning.
Good morning, Will. We're going to get to your story in a moment, but why don't you start with it first, Dr. Toledo? What was Will's case?
Well, Will had the typical signs of an aging face. He had bags under his eyes, which causes shadows. It makes you look kind of tired and sad, and the jowls, the neck, and that's just kind of typical. So Will pretty much had a facial rejuvenation, facelift, eyelid, forehead type procedure.
Okay, so talk about the course of action you took to meet his cosmetic goals and to get those great results.
Well, Will had an endoscopic brow lift, just raising the brows just a little bit. He had the lower bags taken out, a gentle facelift, and a pretty aggressive neck lift. You can see the excess skin in the neck when you look at the side views, and for guys, you know, me included, it makes you have to get custom shirts. You have to get a shirt that has a bigger collar than your shoulder. So, and plus it looks a lot better.
All right,
so
you're talking about a couple different things here. The cosmetic thing about looking better, not looking so tired, but it not only helps you in your personal life, but it also happens to help you in your professional life and keep competitive. So Will, you look great.
Thank you.
Talk about your experience. You're welcome, and how you sought out Dr. Toledo.
Well, my friends, we call him the wizard because you go in and when you come out and the procedure's finished, after a while you look 15 years younger.
Right.
It was amazing. My main concern was I didn't want to look like anything had been done, and that's why I chose Dr. Toledo, because I knew he was very conservative.
Right.
And he was recommended by a friend that had some very good work done. The number one comment I get is, you don't look like you've had anything done.
You just look refreshed and rested, and just kind of look like you, just a little enhanced. And like he said, he did some aggressive procedures with you. You're obviously happy with the results.
Very.
I'm sure others have commented on this as well. What has been the reaction?
The reaction is you look, I'm 65 now, and you look like, really? And I usually say, well, I had a very good doctor. And they'll say, but you don't look like it. You don't have any scars. And I'm like, well, I had a very good doctor.
That is amazing. Okay.
Yeah,
and
it's
so
been great. Yeah.
And great.
Will was going through a job transition. He was starting you know, a new company, and so it was a good time to get it done.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm sure. And again, with the business, it's giving you that competitive edge as well. All right, Dr. Toledo, other procedures you might do for patients. You mentioned brows, you mentioned neck. Are there other areas that you would typically do for a male patient?
You know, a lot of guys need their noses done. They've had them broken over the years, and they can't breathe. They don't realize it. So we sometimes, you know, we'll do, you know, nasal surgery.
Okay.
And as we get older, we get a little bit of a roll around the waistline, and so guys are kind of getting that done just to tighten their waistline. There's not enough exercise, I can get rid of that sometimes.
Well, you did a great job with Will. You look great, and your results are very natural, and you look very happy. So congratulations on that.
Yeah.
And Dr. Toledo, always good to see you. Now, for more information, give Dr. Toledo a call at this number, 214-363-4444, or check out this website, ToledoPlasticSurgery.com.